All right, today we're going to go ahead and open up a couple jumbo packs of 2023 Donruss football cards. 30 cards in each of these packs, so let's see who we can pull out of these. Helps me figure out how to open them, of course. There we go. What do we got? Ernest Jones, Randall Moore, Jalen Waddle, Mr. St. Brown, Chris Godwin, Christian Kirk, Derek Forrest. Let's see, we got Rashawn Gary, Zaire Franklin, Leighton Vander Esch, Quez Watkins, DJ Chark Jr., TJ Watt, he's a pretty good player, Trayvon Diggs, Gabriel Davis, Dawson Knox, Kyle Duggar, there's a Patriot, Jacoby Myers, Aiden Hutchinson, Jeffrey Simmons, T. Higgins, Dre Greenlaw, Zach Harrison, rated rookie, Cam Smith, rated rookie, Darian Thompson Robinson, rated rookie. Let's see, we got Rich Eisen, he's a fan of the game, Jamar Chase, Chigozim Okinawa. We're getting somewhere in here. There's a card, I can feel it. There we go. Javonte Williams, Will Anderson Jr., and I could win something. All right, so let's see about pack 2. If we just start on this side. There we go. Let's see, we got Joey Bosa, Kenneth Walker, Aaron Darnold, he's pretty good. Put him up there. Tariq Woolen, Van Jefferson, Rashad Bateman, Raheem Mostert, Josh Allen, we'll put him over here, way out of the way. Darius Slay Jr., Christian McCaffrey, he's pretty good too. Aaron Rodgers, Derrick Henry, Minka Fitzpatrick, Shaq Thompson, Juwan Bentley, another Patriot. There we go. Devontae Adams, Myles Garrett, Zach Wilson, Joe Mixon, Treylon Burks, Russell Wilson, he's pretty good, C.J. Mosley, Justin Shorter, Jordan Addison, Massey Smith, Nick Bolton, let's see, Bobby Okere, Juwan Bentley, blue card this time. There we go. Kareem Williams, and Felix Anduki Uzama. And I could win again.